Welcome to our YouTube channel Chef Buddy. Please like, comment and subscribe.
Today let us make baby corn munchies. Okay, for that we require basin, tomatoes, salt, jeera, chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric, red chilies. This is corn flour, little amount we need for this, and pepper. Let us take the tomato pieces in the blender and also pepper, red chilies, little jeera. I took around like 8 tomatoes for this amount of basin. Means I took like 2 cups of basin here and 8 tomatoes. For that we require like 2 red chilies, 1 spoon pepper and half spoon jeera. Little turmeric also I am putting in this. And dhania powder. Forgot about the salt. Salt about 2 spoons. Means 2 small spoons. That's it. Let us blend this one. Now the tomato puree is ready. Let us add this to basin. The required amount you need to add to basin. Add this corn flour, some more salt, like 1/2 spoon you require now, chili powder 1 small spoon. Let us mix all these to batter. The batter after mixing looks like this. It should be like the bhaji consistency. When we dip the baby corns into this, that batter should stick to that. In that consistency we should make it. Now take oil in the kadai and put on the stove. Let it get heated up, then we will make munchies. Now oil is enough hot, put like this, dip in the, I'll show you, dip in this batter like this, baby corns. You must make halves like this. Put one by one into the oil. This is actually I used to do like so many years before with paneer. You can do with paneer and also soya chunks. All of them really taste very good. Once you taste it, this will become your favorite. Let them fry to golden brown, and few of them already fried. Let us swap them to other side. These are already fried. Let us take these. See. Look at them. They look like fingers. We can also call them baby corn fingers. Cook these on medium flame, not on high flame. flame because they may get burned. I didn't use any water for the batter, only the tomato puree put directly into the basin. Now it is time to remove all other munchies from the oil. See, all got fried. I'm removing them all into the plate. Yeah, our munchies are ready. Did you see how easy they are? And also tasty, healthy. Make with paneer. See, you need to cut the paneer like this. Dip in the batter. Just dip in the batter and put it in the oil. With the soya chunks also you can try it, but for soya chunks you need to put them in the hot water and salt before making this munchies. Let them fry on the low flame for 2 minutes. Let us flip to other side. See, in between are already fried. Let us do with these. See, get those. That should be golden brown. They are already fried. Let us take them into the plate. Now I still have some batter. I have these ajwain leaves because I have this plant at my home. That is why I am trying with these also today. These are very healthy for cold and cough. It will act like medicine. Yeah, let them fry for 2 minutes. We'll remove. Now bhajis are ready. I'm removing them. Now baby corn and paneer munchies are ready. You can enjoy with ketchup. I garnished them with coriander and amchur powder. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe, like and share the video.